So, as I said, I'm going to do is I'm going to change it all to blue. So, I got this product called Sander Paint Adherent. And the reason why I got that is because this has been previously painted and it has like a little shine to it. You really can't see it too well, but there's like a little tiny shine to it. But anyway, I have to get the shine off. To get the shine off of that so it will actually adhere the paint color onto that. So what I'm going to do, and how it works is, you know, I had to read the back of it. And how it works is you got to put it on a rag. Put it on a rag, and then you take it and you go in a circular motion and wait 10 minutes and then you can paint. So I'm going to get playing with this stuff now and trying to get this product to work so my paint can stick. It's better than trying to buy a can of primer, which costs more. This was only like $7 at Home Depot. Okay, I'm going to get started on that. Okay, so I took the knobs off the cabinet here, as you see, and I'm going to start using the product along with a circular motion to take that shine. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm filling this rag up with this liquid. See, it's white. It says to put it, it's really saturated, but it'll be kind of messy. So, and all you're doing is you're going around in a circle. You got little grooves like that. Just go around in a circle. All over, just take the shine out. And it takes about 10 minutes and it should be dry. All right. Okay, so right now this is pretty much like a second coat. The first coat I put on was with a paintbrush, and then I took a roller and went over top. So I kind of like that paintbrush idea. It gave me a little thicker coating, and then the roller kind of thin. And this is why I say that, because this is what I got with the roller. And I think the paintbrush is a better choice for me. So I'm going to go ahead and paint it with the paintbrush, and I'll be back to show you how. Sometimes when I'm painting, I will, instead of taping around the edges, if I have a little bit of, I have a little piece of paper, I slide it right beneath the edge there. It fits perfectly. So that's what I'll do around that part over there. And I've already done that right there with that too. Just using a little bit of, just a little slide, a little piece of paper if you don't have the tape. Okay, let me show you what I'm doing here. I've taken these are going, this is the molding for around my wooden pieces here. I take a little bit of duct tape, tape it on the back, and then I just put it there. And what it does is it holds it in place. So when I'm painting, it don't do this, moving all over the place. If you notice, it moves all over the place. This will hold it right in place, if you notice. So I use just some duct tape just to hold it in place, because I'm using paper to protect my floors, okay? So I'm gonna paint those cabinets like this side. So if you're following this video, you're seeing a drastic change to the kitchen. And I'm gonna change the knobs as well, and I will keep on going and keeping you posted as we continue on our project. I got spring fever. So we're going to continue on painting, and we're going to change this side to look like that side. And it's going to be a total overhaul. Yes, the wall is green, and the knobs will change on those cabinets to look like this side. And we will continue doing this as we go along and bring you up to date as to how it looks. So it'll look from that to this, and we will keep you posted. We'll keep it going and keep watching as we continue working on this kitchen project. The sun is out, makes us want to do more work. Okay, we will be returning shortly with more ideas and painting and what our end look looks like. Okay, so I want to show you what I did to touch up these here, because they're just the hinges for the door. And I just took some nail polish and I just touched them up in areas because they got a little bit of rust spots on them and so forth. So if you got some black nail polish around your house, by all means. Or go to the dollar store and get it. And then you could take and touch up these little hinges here so they can have some look, bring them back to life so it'll look nice for you, okay? So give that a try. Black nail polish, right from the dollar store, okay? All right, so what I'm going to do with that cabinet right there is make it look like it's two cabinets. Make it look like it's a cabinet to go with the rest of the kitchen. I'm going to start working on that, and I will show you how I'm going to kind of like mock it, make it look like I have a top and bottom.